How can you use the number line to understand multiplication? The number line is a great tool when you need to understand multiplication. Let's take a look at 3 times 5. On the number line, 3 times 5 looks like this. You always start at 0. Here, you have jumped 3 times, with each jump having a length of 5. This results in 3 times 5. After 3 jumps, you land at 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. What would another multiplication problem, like 4 times 6, look like on the number line? Here, you jump 4 times, where each jump has a length of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 6. If you jump 4 times with length 6, you land on 24. So, 4 times 6 is 24. The number line is a great tool for understanding multiplication.